back. We've made it to Darwin, and it is in the middle of nowhere, and it just pops up, eh?
Yeah, well, we haven't hit the actual city yet.
Nah,
but
it's busy.
Yeah, definitely.
It feels like we're at home again in the city.
Yeah.
So we've looked on Wikicamps, and there's not really any camping spots, is there?
No, well, there's really just caravan parks, but to be honest, we're not doing too well in this heat. So we're thinking we might give ourselves a bit of a sneaky treat.
Yeah.
And maybe get a motel for a couple of nights while we're here. It's not just for our benefit as well. There's a lot of computer work that we need to get done, and the computer is just not handling the heat in the middle of the day. So
we're just trying to justify it.
Well, I honestly think that that's justifiable.
But yeah, we've got quite a bit to do. I got to buy all the service materials for the car, because it's going to be the final service I do until we basically get home, I reckon.
Mm-hmm.
So that's a big one. Got to do all the diffs and maybe the transfer case and gearbox oils, and full service. And yeah, we're going to stay in a motel. I'm pretty certain we're going to stay in a motel.
Yeah. And we're doing another treat today, which I'm really excited about. Just another way for us to get out of the heat for the day, because there's no water holes really around here. But we're going to go to the movies.
Yeah.
And
it's going to be
so
different.
Excited, because we haven't been to the movies in like over 9 months, and we used to go quite often.
Yeah.
And I'm a massive musical theatre nerd, and we're going to go see In the Heights. So I'm really, really excited. Sorry, Mum, I'm seeing it without you.
So it's going to be maybe a different kind of style vlog. Not too much camping going on, but we're still going to explore Darwin, and we're going to try and show you Darwin. So it's pretty exciting. There's a bit to do here. There's a bit of history. So the first thing we're doing is going to this motel that we think we're going to stay at and check out the parking situation, because the Troopy is so high. So
we can't do like any secure parking, but then we also don't want to be leaving it with our life in there too far from where we're actually going to be sleeping. So yeah, a bit of a tricky one.
It's going to be expensive 4 or 5 days, but it's going to be fun packed. So let's get into it. We've made it. Just got to suss out the parking situation.
There's a sign there. Does that say like guests in that parking there?
Is that the one? Hudson?
Yeah.
Looks a bit fancy, guys. Something we're not used to. Yeah, we'll go check it out, eh?
Yeah.
But yeah, we're staying at the Hudson, I think. It's looking pretty promising.
See, that's another one I found there, but we can't get into the parking.
Yeah. Don't put a toolbox on your Troopy if you're coming into the city, mate.
So we're trying to get to the movies now, and this is all undercover parking, so
oh man,
it was unexpected.
The Troopy's not made for the city. Where do we go?
Oh, I don't know, we'll figure it out.
We'll suss it out.
Okay, we found the Troopy parking, so let's go to the movies.
Here we go. How you going, Megan? That's disgusting. The popcorn's bigger than your head.
Everything's always bigger than my head.
Cinema 6, let's go. Look at this, we've got the whole thing to ourselves. Loving it, mate. We made it, guys, and it is luxury. Come check out the room. Hey, what's that show called? MTV Cribs, mate. Check out the balcony. It's brilliant. Movie was good. Look at that, mate. Look at the pool. Wicked view. Movie was wicked.
Yeah.
I cried 5 times.
It was so good.
Not gonna lie.
I only cried twice.
Had a few tears coming out. And it was a musical as well.
Yeah, it was a full musical. I told Jack that, it'd be like Greatest Showman, maybe with a little bit more singing, but it was like pretty much all singing. So
yeah, so
I'm surprised you liked it.
It hit the feelings, mate. So yeah, we've been city slicking today, eh?
Yeah, we pretty much spent the whole day at the shop.
In a shopping centre. It's foreign. It feels foreign to us. Like it's completely different.
Got myself a new book.
Got myself a new hat.
So I will
read
it before this video comes out, hopefully, and then
What's
I'll
it called?
recommend it.
Badass.
You're a badass at making money.
You are a badass at making money. I hope so. Anyway, yeah, we got 3 nights here. Hey, we got 3 nights in this room, so
I think 2 nights, 2 full days is just going to be flat out editing
because we're heading west soon
and stuff. So
and we're not going to be in service much, so we want to try and get some YouTube videos up on the platform, scheduled up, so we don't have to worry about getting them out to you guys on Thursday and Sunday. So they're coming. We're not going to miss one. So that's our plan. That's why we're here.
Yeah, and then on the third day we'll definitely be going out and exploring a lot more of Darwin, not just a shopping centre.
Yeah, so it's not just a shopping centre in Darwin. There's a few things to do. We've done some research. There's a few things that we definitely want to go see.
Yeah.
One of them is the Sunday markets, and there's a few other things, but we will see you then. Woo.
We have emerged from our dungeon, the editing cave that we've been in the last couple of days.
And we're at the Darwin markets.
Mindil
markets. Look how busy it is already.
Whoa. I'm starving, I'm so keen. I heard it's mostly food, so that's good.
Yeah, let's get into it, mate. Alrighty guys, the markets are wicked.
Yeah, it's cool.
There's so much food, but we chose the paella. That's how you say it, eh?
Yeah, it's really good.
And it's beautiful here.
And it's right on the beach, so I think the plan is going to be, this would be like our entree, and then we'll go back in and we'll get a main and a dessert as well, because I saw they've got churros, so I have to get some.
Oh yeah, I reckon I'm going to have a feast tonight. I want to get some meat. But I don't know what kind of meat. I saw some pictures on Instagram of like meat on like some skewers, so that's what I'm looking for.
Meat on a stick.
Right guys, we got the mixer. We got the banana pancakes.
Ended up getting little mini pancakes. How cute! And they were so cool when they were being made. Watching them like flip it over and stuff.
Yeah, it was wicked. Guys, if you're coming to Darwin, come to the markets, eh? The markets are awesome. There's a live band behind us. We're going to go check them out in a bit. And just enjoy paradise.
And I think we're in for a good sunset as well.
Yeah, sunset's looking good. How was it, Megan?
How good was that?
It's
I
amazing.
loved it. Okay, so we decided after our dessert we wanted another dessert, so we went back and got some sorbet.
We got smoothie sorbet.
And then we were like, oh yeah, the sunset's pretty much done, there's just clouds. And then we turned around and there was just the most amazing sunset I've ever seen in my entire life.
Stunning,
happening.
eh?
It's still happening.
Yeah, you can see it over there. Look at that.
It's like bright red, it's insane.
But it was amazing, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Highly recommend it.
100%.
100%. Good morning. So excited, eh? Don't even know what.
Finally on our way out to explore Darwin properly. We're on our way to the Waterfront now. I think we'll probably stop for a bit of coffee, maybe, and then make our way over to the World War II oil tunnels.
I want to go see these tunnels. I
Yeah.
saw it on someone's video. I'm sorry. I forgot who they were on YouTube, so sorry about that. But they went to these tunnels and they look pretty cool, so we're definitely... I'm not concentrating. We're definitely going there.
This is the last of treating ourselves.
Yeah, this is it. We've come to the is it the precinct?
Yeah, I think that's what it's called.
Yeah, we got the. Oh, and actually, just wait and see what we got. It's gonna be good. Oh mate, pulled pork pizza. So we just had the pulled pork pizza. If you go into that place,
Oh, it was glorious.
definitely get it. But we're about to go into the World War II. I think it's World War II. I'm sorry if I'm wrong.
Yeah,
Oil tunnels. So it looks awesome. This is something I've wanted to do for ages. Well, that was cool, eh?
Yeah.
That's a definite yes for me.
Maybe don't go with someone who works in construction though, because all you have to hear the entire tour is, oh my god, how do they do this? Oh my god, this would be
Mate,
so hard.
Coming from construction and seeing concrete being poured and the way they do it, it's incredible how they did what they've done.
It's not just tunnels though, it's like whenever we do a hike as well, Jack's like, oh, screw being the person that had to lay all this pavement down.
Hey, when we're going on hikes and we're in the middle of nowhere on our hike, and then you just see some random bit of concrete someone's put there to
For
make
like
your
3
path
kilometres.
to make your path easier. It's just like, how did you even get your stuff there, mate? But yeah, those tunnels, it's crazy what those men did.
Yeah.
It's incredible.
But anyway, we are on our way to a caravan park now. Hotel life is over and done with
Yeah.
for a little while.
Back to the camping
Back
life.
to the caravan park, and then tomorrow we've got something really, really exciting.
We're doing the Croc jumper tour.
Okay, you're going to give it away?
We're going on a boat. We're going to see Brutus. I think his name's Brutus.
I think so.
5.5 metre crocodile.
Hopefully we'll spot him.
We're going to spot him, mate. Hopefully the boat doesn't sink, because then we're stuffed. I wonder if they give us life jackets.
No, they don't.
Classic. We don't even need them. We're dead. Anyway, that's what we're doing tomorrow, and I'm bloody keen.
Yeah, so
It's
we'll
gonna be
see you
wicked,
then.
Good morning, Megan.
Morning.
Are you nervous?
No, I'm excited. Are you nervous?
Yeah. Look how brown the water is, mate. Ready to meet Brutus?
I'm ready. I think, oh, maybe I should just keep this camera out of the bag, hey?
Yeah, whatever. So yeah, guys, we're going in to meet the Crocs. We'll see you in there.
California, the Nile crocodile,
That's the best experience on the trip, the lap of Australia so far.
Yeah, and we don't usually do like tour type things. So.
Nah, if you're coming to the Northern Territory, you have to go there.
Yeah, so
Adelaide
that
River
was
Cruises.
Adelaide River Cruises, $45 each for us to go on.
Felt so safe the whole time.
Yeah, it was an hour cruise, but I think we actually were on there for about an hour and a half.
Yeah.
But I could have just sat there looking at the crocodiles for another hour at least. It was so cool.
And the tour guide just has so much knowledge and he tells you so much about it. We met Brutus,
a 100-year-old crocodile, 5.6 meters.
The camera doesn't do it justice.
Nah,
It is
but just the sound of their jaws.
Yeah.
When my god,
close.
it's just like that's just the sound of death. Like you're dead.
Yeah, you do not want to be in that water. And
Nah.
then you see how fast the crocodiles can swim in the water.
Yeah.
And it's just like, whoa. You don't want to be in that water.
I should have been a lot more scared of that sign in Litchfield that said low risk of crocodiles.
Yeah. So that was a wicked experience. Darwin was awesome.
Yeah.
It's a bit smaller than Perth.
Yeah.
We're waiting to see it and we're like, oh, maybe it's the same size as the Perth city.
Yeah,
but
because we
a
thought
bit
Perth
smaller.
was like the smallest city in Australia, but yeah.
And it's
But-
nice and chilled out.
Yeah, and
it was
that
good.
waterfront area was beautiful. 100% recommend visiting. Yeah, it's
100%.
so cool.
But guys, that's the end of the video.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
And please like if you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time.
See you later.